Welcome back to another episode of Eats with Twan, and today we're using the air fryer to make some crab stuffed mushrooms. This is going to be so easy, so let's go. Perfect. We are working with portobello mushrooms for this recipe. So what we're going to do, we're going to de-stem and remove some of the filling from this mushroom. Slightly twist it and the stem should pop out just like that. Now you see the mushroom, it has a little bit of room in there, but we want a little more so that way we can have enough room to add our actual filling. So what you want to go ahead and do is grab a spoon and remove some of the gills from the mushroom so that way we have enough room for the filling, just like that. You want to be gentle during this process. You do not want to break the mushroom, okay? Take your time with it and make sure you get all the gills out so you have enough room. And listen, don't waste the food. Be gentle with it. Don't break your mushrooms up, okay? Simple. Here's a close-up shot. You know, I zoomed in the camera for you all so that way you can kind of see exactly what I'm doing. Again, you're just getting the gills out, being careful with it so that way you have enough room. All right. Now listen. When you buy these portobello mushrooms from the grocery store, they should be clean. However, if they are not clean or they have some residue on there, only thing you have to do is take you a damp rag or a paper towel and wipe each of the mushrooms. Do not soak these in water and do not wash them. Mushrooms already retain a lot of moisture, water, so again, you don't want to add to that. You're going to have soggy mushrooms, okay? That's all. That's Kitchen Tip 101. Before we make our filling, we want to go ahead and put these mushrooms in the air fryer on 350 for about 7 to 8 minutes. Times will vary depending on your air fryer. This will actually help soften the mushroom. Again, that's why I said don't put these in water. This is going to help soften the mushroom. All right, before you put it in the air fryer, go ahead and drizzle some olive oil to that. And then listen, all you got to do is add some black pepper and some salt to that. That's actually going to help add some nice flavor to the mushroom. Again, that's all you need, a little salt and pepper, and the salt is going to help extract any extra moisture from the mushroom, just like that. Now let's go ahead and move to our filling. So we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, okay? So we're going to build it up. I'm going to walk you through the steps, and don't worry, I'll have all of the ingredients in the description. I don't think I said that in the beginning of the video, by the way. Go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. This is about 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then we have 1 large egg that we're going to go ahead and add to that mixture, just like that. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley to the mixture. And then what we're going to go ahead and add is some finely chopped breadcrumbs that's going to help combine the mixture, and that's about 1/4 cup, okay? To that, you can add 1 tablespoon of Cajun or Old Bay seasoning. It's totally up to you. I'm using Old Bay seasoning because that goes great with seafood. Now, start to combine the mixture now. We're not finished yet. We're going to add the crab meat last, okay? That's going to be very important. You want to go ahead and make sure everything is combined and all your ingredients are well incorporated before we add the crab meat. Finally, we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to this mixture before we go ahead and add that good old crab meat. So go ahead and pour that in. Now you can do that in the beginning. I just forgot to do it for the video purposes, but I still wanted to show y'all that you definitely need the melted butter for this mixture. Stir to combine just like that. Now go ahead and add 8 ounces of fresh lump crab meat. Woo! Look at that crab meat. That crab meat looks amazing. Go ahead and break it up. Now I sped up the video for you guys, but listen, you want to be very careful with this. You don't want to break up the lumps. You still want to see the lumps because this is going to go inside of our portobello mushrooms. It should look just like that. go ahead and take the mushrooms out of the air fryer. At this point, we're going to go ahead and stuff the mushrooms with our crab mixture. As you can see, the mushrooms have a nice color to them and they're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and put them on a plate so we have enough room to fill them. You're only going to need a spoonful of the mixture. You just want to go ahead and stuff the mushroom. That's all. It's pretty simple. Now, as you can see on the screen, the pack of mushrooms that I purchased came in different sizes, some small, some medium, some large. Wasn't really consistent. Again, the cooking time is not going to vary too much. The air fryer, like I said, is not going to vary too much. 350, 10 minutes is all I did, and they came out perfect. Again, go ahead and add some more Parmesan cheese on top because we already have some in the mixture. So just go ahead and grate some on top. It's not going to hurt. We're going to go ahead and load up the air fryer. As you see here, we're going to put it in the air fryer for another 10 minutes at 350. That's all you're going to need. And watch. Bam. Look, we did that. See, as you can see, even the small ones, they're so nice and soft. The mixture is not overcooked. It's not burnt. They look amazing. So look, nice and soft. It's amazing. A perfect game day appetizer, party appetizer for whatever event you're doing. Go ahead and add some more grated Parmesan cheese on top. Hit it with some parsley. And as always, let's go ahead and do a nice taste test. I've been waiting for this, and look, it didn't take us long at all. 20 minutes. Woo, look at that lump crab. Look at the cheese. This is amazing. And then a portobello mushroom is so good. This is so perfect. Again, it's very easy. Look, wait 1 second. Let's have another one. This is so good. Listen, this is Tsp Spoon. I'm gonna finish these up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.